Escaping the debt trap and taking control of your financial life. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to talk about something that silently steals dreams, quietly destroys confidence, and slowly robs people of their future. Debt. Not just numbers on a screen, not just bills in the mail, but the emotional weight, the stress, the sleepless nights. Debt is one of the most powerful traps in modern society, and the most dangerous part? It often starts small. A credit card swipe, a small loan, a buy now, pay later decision. It feels harmless until one day you wake up and realize you're not working for your dreams anymore. You are working for your debt. But here's the truth I want you to remember. Debt is not a life sentence. It is a chapter, and you have the power to turn the page. The debt trap. How it really works. The debt trap is not just about money. It's psychological. It tells you, you deserve this now. You'll pay it later. It's just a small amount. But small amounts grow. Interest compounds. Minimum payments keep you stuck. And suddenly, your income isn't building wealth. It's feeding interest. You work harder, you earn more, but you don't move forward. That's not financial freedom. That's financial captivity. Step 1. Face the truth without fear. The first step to escaping debt is courage. Open every statement. Write down every balance. List every interest rate. Don't run from it. Don't avoid it. Clarity creates control. Yes, the total may scare you. Yes, it may feel overwhelming. But remember this. You cannot defeat what you refuse to face. The moment you see the full picture is the moment you take back your power. Step 2. Shift from consumer thinking to owner thinking. Most people are trained to consume. New phone? Upgrade. New trend? Buy it. Stress? Shop it. But wealthy thinkers ask a different question. Is this building my future or stealing it? Every dollar has a job. If you don't assign it a mission, it will disappear. You must move from spending to planning, from reacting to deciding, from emotional purchases to intentional choices. This mindset shift changes everything. Step 3. Attack debt with a plan. There are two powerful strategies. 1. The snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first. Gain momentum, build confidence, then attack the next one. 2. The avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest rate first. Save more money long term. Reduce the fastest growing fire. Choose one, commit to it, and stay consistent. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need a miracle, you need discipline. Step 4. Increase the gap. Financial freedom lives in one place, the gap between what you earn and what you spend. If you increase your income but increase your lifestyle at the same speed, you stay stuck. But if you increase your income and keep your lifestyle steady, that gap becomes power. That gap becomes freedom. That gap becomes investment. That gap becomes peace. Work overtime. Start a side skill. Sell unused items. Learn something valuable. Not forever, just long enough to break the chains. Temporary sacrifice, permanent control. Step 5. Build an emergency shield. Most people fall back into debt because of one unexpected event: car repair, medical bill, family emergency. Without savings, debt feels like the only option. So build a small emergency fund. Start with $500, then $1,000, then 1 month of expenses. This is not just money. This is protection. This is confidence. This is peace of mind. Step 6. Redefine success. Society says success is visible: cars, brands, luxury. But true success is invisible. No stress when bills arrive, freedom to say no, freedom to change jobs, freedom to rest. The richest person in the room is not the one who spends the most. It's the one who owes the least. Control creates confidence. Confidence creates calm. Calm creates power. The emotional freedom beyond debt. Imagine waking up without fear of notifications from your bank. Imagine your paycheck being yours, not pre-claimed by lenders, not divided by interest. Imagine investing, building assets, creating passive income. When you escape debt, you don't just improve your finances, you reclaim your identity. You move from survival to strategy, from stress to strength, from trapped to free. If you are in debt right now, hear this clearly. You are not irresponsible. You are not a failure. You are not broken. You are simply in a system designed to keep you borrowing. But you are also powerful, disciplined, capable. Start today. One payment, one decision, one sacrifice. Years from now, you won't remember the temporary discomfort. You will remember the day you decided, no more. I choose control. I choose freedom. Debt may have been part of your story, but it does not get to write your ending. Your financial life is not about luck. It's about leadership. Lead your money, or it will lead you. The choice, starting today, is yours.